gagawin po ninyo dun sa impeachment kay Pangulong Duterte mo?
Yung impeachment against the President, like I said, is pursuant to our rules. The Speaker will now refer it to the Committee on Justice. Pagdating ng Committee on Justice, then the committee will meet, schedule it, and first determine if there is sufficiency in form. Now, if it passes the test of sufficiency in form, it will now go through the test of sufficiency in substance. Kung wala doon sa sufficiency in form, imumove na for the dismissal kagad yan. Parang nangyari doon sa kay Pinoy. Di ba? Meron din si Pinoy noon. Ganon din ang nangyari. Now, if it passes sufficiency in form, it will now meet the sufficiency in substance. Kung yun meet ang sufficiency in substance, how does it get to meet that? Magbubutuhan ang members. One member can say, I move that we find the impeachment complaint sufficient in form. Or meron naman mag-move in a negative manner. I move that we find the complaint insufficient in form. Magbubutuhan yan. Kung ano yung mas maraming boto, yun ang masusunod. Ganun lang yun.
Sir, may numero po ba ang mga mag-i-impeach o ang mas namang pa rin ang mga kakampi ng Pangulo?
Ang mag-i-impeach, mag-isa siya eh.
So, hindi na siya nadagdagan?
As of now, wala pa akong nabalitaan naman. In fact, nabasa ko lang and I'm sure you will confirm it that the Liberal Party even said they will not join. Kaya nga. So mag-isa lang yun. Now, sa committee, I don't know if he's a member of the committee, but sa committee kung magbubutuhan, depende na yun kung ano lalabas doon.
Sir, magpapaling
distractions sa work ng Congress. Distraction.
Sasagutin ko ba yan o ikaw? Now, you were saying, ano?
Hindi po distraction sa trabaho.
Hindi naman. Trabaho lang namin yan talaga. Committee on Justice, siguro maabala ng konti yung position and possible other offenses na isasama sa death penalty. Kung sakali, yun lang madidisrupt. At okay lang naman yan. Hardworking naman yung Committee on Justice as you have seen it before. And I will meet with Chairman Umali later. Nag-appointment sa akin dahil we will give this priority also. Di ba? Kung yung Dayan investigation nun, ilang oras tayo dito? Maabot tayo ng 10 oras just to tackle it. Galito rin ito. Tapusin din namin kaagad para nga to get away with it or get it moving as the case may be.
Sir, magpapali mamaya yung ibang critics naman ni VP Lenny Robredo ng impeachment sa kanya. Ano rin po ang gagawin po ninyo?
Ganun din yun. Depende kung may mag-endorse. Kung wala mag-endorse, iba basura yun. Oo, siyempre, katulad nung kay Representative Gary Alejano, it moved to that level where the Speaker will have to refer it to the Committee on Justice because it was filed by a member. Kasi under the Constitution po, nakalagay po sa Constitution, yung impeachment complaint must be filed by a member or filed by any citizen but endorsed by a member of the House of Representatives. So kung yung may magpa-file mamaya at walang mag-endorse, wala, hanggang doon lang yun. It's a scrap of paper.
Sir, may schedule na ba kayo tinitignan? Kung pwede isisalang yung kay Presidente?
Pag-uusapan nga namin ni Chairman Umali mamaya, pupunta sa akin yung office mamaya, and then we will come up with the timetable.
Dapat daw within 10 days, di ba?
Oo. Yung referral ni Speaker then sa committee, nandun na rin yung roles, gagalaw na rin yan at iseset na namin ni Chairman Umali. By itong next 12 session days, we will tackle that.
So, most likely this week or next week? Or masyado maaga this week?
Maaga na this week, tomorrow na ang last day. So next week, most probably, we will convene already the Committee on Justice. Depende kay Chairman, pag-uusapan nga namin mamaya. Now, we will be free to be there after we speak and we can give you the timetable.
Sir, hindi ba mahirapan kung dalawa impeachment? Pagsasabayin ba yun or magkahiwalay yung
Hindi natin pag-usapan muna yung dalawa dahil wala pa eh. Hindi pa nga naman natin alam, baka sayang lang yung discussion.
Ano pong contingency ninyo kung dalawa nga yung mga
We will cross the bridge when we come to it.